Hello everyone, welcome to Zen Appeal. Today we're going to do a standing practice today, mostly. Just to check in, something nice and short. Just if you have a little bit of time and you don't know what to do, maybe just a nice standing stretch would work for you. So we'll start with our feet together. Yes, I do have socks on today. It's a little cold here, but you're more than welcome to be without socks if your room is a bit warmer than mine is. As you can tell, I have the heater in the corner. So anyway, let's check in, close the eyes. So when you close the eyes, you notice that it's a little bit of a challenge for the balance. So it's always kind of good to note. You can pull the belly button in and just grow a little bit taller. Check in with the shoulders, back and down. Check in with your posture and see how that affects your balance. Just a nice easy breath. We'll take one or two more. Bring the eyes, take the hands to the waistline. Take an inhale, step out the legs. A bit wider than the hips with parallel feet. So here we're going to reach the arms down by the side body and take an inhale out and up. And exhale back down. And we'll go again. Inhale out and up. And exhale. Nice. We're going to start to change some things a little bit. We're going to start with our right foot. So right foot turning to the right. So hips are still open. I'm still heart facing you, or turned to face forward. So the arms are still going to go out and up. So inhale out and up. Exhale. Find the arms parallel to the earth. Palms facing down. Let the hips kick back. So wherever back leg, say the front point of the foot is the front leg and the back leg is hips behind. Turn the eyes forward towards your right hand. I'm right leg in front, right foot forward, right arm. From here, reach forward, inhale. Exhale, take the hand to the thigh and reach right, left arm up. Take breath. On the exhale, gently start to slide down. And then come right back up. Inhale, come up, back to parallel. Exhale, catch the waist, turn the foot, take the left side. So left foot turns. So now the other side of the mat is the front of the mat and the front leg. Front toes lead the way. Hips in the back, send back. Arms down, still heart facing forward. Take the arms out and up. Inhale. Exhale. Take the arms parallel to the earth. Hips kick back, reach. Exhale. Start to take the hand to the thigh. Right arm is up and just lean forward. And then come right back up. Inhale, we come up, back to parallel. Exhale, catch the waist and turn the foot, close the door. Feet come together. Arms down by the side of the body. Bend the knees, inhale, chair. Exhale, hands to the heart. Keep the legs bent. Inhale, chair. Exhale, a little bit more of a lean forward with the legs bent. Still leaving the legs bent. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, go all the way down. Hands find the earth or in front or with a block. Stretch out the legs, inhale. Soften the elbows, exhale. Take that again, inhale, pick up the chest, flat back. Exhale, soften the elbows. One more, inhale. Exhale. Soften the knees, hands to the knees, head up. Up, reach the arms, mountain. Mountain twist. Open the arms to the right. Inhale up. Open the arms to the left. Inhale up. Exhale right back down. To the block or to the earth. So here, take an inhale to step the legs out wide again. Hands on block or earth. Exhale, bend knees. So I'm leaving my feet parallel and moving into some knees and hips. A little bit more. Inner thigh too. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. One more. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Inhale, extend. Exhale, soften the elbows. Block or no block. Inhale, we pick up. Exhale, left hand on the earth or on the block. Press into the earth, reach, right arm up. And come down. Other side, right one down. Inhale, reach left one up. And down. Bring the feet a little bit closer together. Hip width space, we'll say. Hands catch the knees and inhale, pick up the head. Exhale, let's take a little turn. I'm just gonna go into the left leg first. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, take fold. So the front leg, give it a little bend when you fall down. Help with your balance. Catch the knee, catch the shin, catch the earth, find your blocks. Soften down, just keep going. Stay 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, we pick up. Exhale, pivot all the way to the other side. Take breath. Exhale, soften it. So for this side, we're going to take the reverse back up. So soft knee in the front. Find the balance. Start to slide up the leg. When you get fairly up with the chest, reach up. And then exhale. Turn back to the front. Close the door. Feet together. Inhale, we reach up. Exhale. Back down. See how we feel. Catch the waist. Inhale, we step out. I'm just going to go for about 4-ish feet of space in between my feet. I'm going to go right foot turn first. So I'm turning my right foot to the now front of the mat and bending into the right knee. So this is warrior 2. So we're taking inhale, straighten the front leg. Exhale, bend. You can shift your drishti, your eyes towards same direction as the toe point. Inhale, extend again. Exhale, bend. So hold your pose and take the arms parallel to the earth. Take breath. Side angle. And elbow to knee. Extend the left side. Try to find straight line from hand down to foot on the earth. Inhale, keep the front leg bent, reach up. Exhale, catch the waist, extend the right leg and turn the toes back forward. Release the arms, take breath. Exhale. Other side, catch the waist, turn the foot. So we're bending into Our left knee, left toe leads the way. Other side of the mat is now the front of the mat. So here, front leg, inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Again, inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. One more, inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Release the arms parallel to the earth. Inhale up. Exhale, go in. Elbow to knee. Extend, right side. Reverse your warrior. Inhale, come up, lean back. Exhale, extend the front leg. Hands catch the waist. We come back. Release the arms. Inhale up. Exhale, heel toe the feet back in. Feet together. Arms down by your side body. Taking a moment to observe how I feel. Crown of the head down to the toes. Feels pretty good. And thank you for joining me today. Just a nice, quick standing practice just to get some length in the body, some space. Hopefully that served you. Until next time, all my love.